Bro, I feel like I've been running in this thing for fucking hours, man, you know? But man, when you're in here, when you're in nature, time just flies by, bro. You don't even notice. I fucking love this shit. For those who don't spend enough time in nature, bro, or even nothing at all, bruv, you gotta get out of here. This shit is priceless, man. This shit is fucking soul food, bro, you know? If you don't spend enough time in nature, please do. Please do. Your soul will thank you for it. Let's get it. Boosh.